Namaskar. How about I tell you that you can make your own protein powder at home without investing in commercial protein powder? All you need is an access to right ingredients. Today, I will share with you top 3 recipes of protein powder which suffices the daily need of your crucial nutrition. Select any one protein powder and include it in your daily diet, but make sure that you add a right type of quantity. First, homemade protein powder. It is made with best seeds and nuts with high protein content, and it need to be prepared in right proportion. In a non-stick pan, add 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 1/4 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of pistachio, 1/4 cup of walnut, and 1/4 cup of peanuts. Dry roast all these ingredients for at least 2 minutes or until they are slightly brown. Let it cool and then add 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Now grind all this thing together in a powder form. You can store this in an airtight container. This can be stored for a month and you can make it in bulk also. When you make it in bulk, make sure that each ingredient's ratio doesn't change. To maintain a daily intake of protein, take 1 tablespoon of this powder and you simply add to any animal or plant-based milk or in a smoothie. This will become most important drink in your diet. Protein is the essential macronutrient which helps in building your bones and muscles. It also helps to repair your tissue damage and normal secretion of enzymes and hormones. Second, Sattu drink. Take a saucepan and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of Sattu powder or Bengal gram powder. Add 7 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Add juice of half lemon. This is a season of raw mango. You can either grate or add boiled pulp of raw mango. If raw mango is not available, don't worry. You can simply add other ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoonful of jeera powder. Take a glass of lukewarm water and add it into the mixture. Lastly, add rock salt as per the taste. Stir it well and have it every morning. This is the best drink for all age group. When you will take this powder, you will feel full, satiated for a longer period of time. And naturally, you will avoid eating any kind of junk in between any meals. And this means it is a great way to lose weight. Third, 5 seeds powder. In a non-stick pan, add a half cup of hemp seeds and roast it till you smell its aroma. Remove the seed and put it in a container. To the same pan, add half a cup of chia seeds. Dry roast it till you smell its aroma. Remove it and put it with the hemp seeds. Add 1/4 cup of flax seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half cup of sunflower seeds. All these put it in the same pan and roast it. Make sure you do not burn them by making it too brown. Now let it cool down for a while. Add all these ingredients to a grinder and grind it to a fine powder. To make it tastier, you can add 1/4 spoon of vanilla powder. This is how your powder is ready. Now understand how to use it. Dairy products already contain some amount of protein. Add 1 tablespoon of this powder with either yogurt or milk or smoothie. If you are a vegan, then add all these things in your salad or in your soup. You can make this powder in a bulk. Just see that the ratio of all the quantities are same and you can store it very well. If you have to add vanilla powder, then you can add it right when you are using it. When you sit to eat your food, when you eat with others, the proper protein content you may not get in your system, and that too when you are physically very active, working very hard, then you need more protein. When you make your own recipe, which we have mentioned here, you will be able to help yourself. You can help even elders in the house. During old age also, quite a lot of protein requirement is there because there is lots of wear and tear in body. And so, such recipes when you make in the house would be useful. Another thing is, If person is purely vegetarian, not eating anything else, sometimes the deficiencies may occur which people feel. But you should know that all these things which we have included in our recipe are all very, very useful, and they are high in protein, and any of these recipes you could use to help yourself. When you substitute your normal protein powder with homemade protein powder, you are saving a lot of money. So why wait to go to the market and get confused which powder to buy? Instead, make one at home and relish its taste as well as its benefit. Namaskar.